Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Deen Love Kids Club. Today's story time is titled The Story of Prophet Ayyub, alayhi salam, and his patience. It's story time. Story time on Deen Love Kids. It's story time. Story time on Deen Love Kids. Bismillah. Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam was a kind, patient, and thankful servant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had blessed him with good health, a big family, and many blessings. He always remembered Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and helped the poor and the needy. One day, Prophet Ayyub became very, very sick. Little by little, he lost his wealth and even most of his family. His body became weak and covered with sores, yet he never complained. Even in his pain, Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam would say words of remembrance, praising Allah and keeping his heart full of gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. After many, many years of hardship, Prophet Ayyub said a prayer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He said, "O my Lord, indeed, adversity, difficulty has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful." Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala answered his dua. Allah answered his prayer. He told Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam to strike the ground with his foot. And when he did, a cool spring of water came out. But Ayyub alayhi salam washed himself and drank from it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala healed him completely. Allahu Akbar, and gave him back his wealth and family twice as much. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. This story of Prophet Ayyub teaches us to be patient and trust Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When we have challenges and difficulties, we should ask only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for help, just like Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam did. And that's the end of our story for today. I hope you enjoyed listening and enjoyed something special from it. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Until next Sunday, inshallah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.